I'm passionate about the Y because it has so many different ways to help so many different people.
The Y serves a really important function in our community. They're focused on the health and well-being of the entire citizenry, and especially for those that need our assistance.
I'm passionate about the YMCA because of the services it offers to young people in our community.
They're a bedrock in the community that provides a multiple facet of resources. They meet you at any and every level that you're at in life.
The YMCA Western North Carolina has a proud heritage and history of being here in these mountains. Our greatest feat has probably been to be that organization that people turn to go to and look for comfort and care depending on what their health needs are. We've been doing that for the last 126 years and look forward to doing it for another 126 years.
We need the Y to work with folks who need more assistance, who haven't had the opportunities that many of us have had. And it's great that they're there to work with folks on nutritional training, helping people who are diabetic understand how they can lead a healthier lifestyle, to get exercise, provide those opportunities. There's a tendency for people to think of Ys as the place you work out, which is a great thing, but it's so much more than that. And we really appreciate the role the Y plays in helping build a healthier community.
The health of McDowell County is of a concern for the most part. It is a lower income community that has issues with historical smoking, tobacco use, which creates high diabetes, blood pressure, things like that. Obesity seems to be a big problem as well. What's exciting about McDowell County is the collaborative work that's going on down there. A lot of folks that are willing to roll up their sleeves and go after this work. There's a need, they see the need, and then the willingness to come together, work as a community, alongside with organizations such as the YMCA, the city, the county, local entities and organizations that are willing to do programs and initiatives that make a difference.
The Y does a lot for our community. The Y it's interesting because it serves youth in our community, and at the same time it serves the older people in our community.
So our 21 charitable programs obviously in the community that do have a huge impact on the folks who can't afford our services or really need our services and are looking for mechanisms to get into Y are critically important to our charitable work. The 6 centers that we have obviously in Western North Carolina play a big role in impacting the lives of children and families. Our after-school child care sites in both Buncombe and McDowell County touch the lives of well over 700 kids a day in after-school child care and 700 kids a day in our summer day camp programs. We are a resource in this community that everybody deserves, and we have an obligation and responsibility to be socially responsible for that.
It's an honor really to be serving as the chair of this year's campaign because it's a chance to give back to an organization that served me and so many others in our community.
We're very grateful for our volunteers and donors that make this annual campaign a reality for us every year.
This is our community.
This is our community.
This is our community.